everyone. So I thought of coming up with a video to spread LinkedIn awareness. Now, I've been visiting a lot of colleges and corporates lately, and I could sense that there are business professionals and students who still struggle to be on LinkedIn. They don't know how is that the LinkedIn algorithm it works, and what is the benefit that they can reap out of it. So three simple steps which can help you be really active on LinkedIn and get you going. So the first step is, in case if you want to land a great job in HR, marketing or operations, start posting content on that aspect. Now for that matter, if you want to land a job into sales, so you can talk about case studies of different companies, of entrepreneurs, how is that they have reached a certain level. And most importantly, the concept behind this is how is that you can add value for the LinkedIn users out there, in case if they go through your case study or the content that you have posted, what is that learning that they have drawn out of it. So this can really help you in building the content, and do it for 3 days in a week, and that's a mandate. This will help you to come up as a freelancer. Maybe LinkedIn can turn out as a source of side hustle income for you, and it can help you land a great job in all the different departments that I have just mentioned. But you will have to post the content on that particular department, on that particular aspect only. The second is, what you can do is post as many pictures and as many videos as you can on your LinkedIn profile. If you've made a project, if you've done your internship, start talking about it, post it, show the objectives that you have achieved through videos and through your kind of craft. Because the LinkedIn algorithm, it really works when you post in the photos and the videos. It works really faster, I would say. The third is, reach out to the talent acquisition team of different companies, to the HRs, send in the request, talk to them, write a cold email, make your own community that will help you in generating lot of leads. And when you speak to the HR, it will make a connect with them, a kind of a repo. So start doing all of these things, and you will see how is that your LinkedIn profile reaches to another level. So you can follow these steps and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.